所以佛陀解脫咗啊，去度頭一個徒弟係邊個？烏比超，因為烏比超啊跟佛陀一個時間啊，所以佢哋識打坐，得到禪定。所以佛陀叫佢哋坐，佛陀同佢哋講經就冇叫佢哋打坐，同佢哋講經幾日啊，全部5個啊成阿羅漢啊。後尾佛陀又觀到有呢個日沙係一個在家人啊，前世啊佢係修行者嚟嘅，得到呢個禪定咗。佛陀同佢講佛理啊，佢得到初度。咁樣佢爸係嗰度個地方啊最有錢佬啦。咁樣佢爸以為人哋綁票咗個綁票嘅仔啊去揾入到山巴啊，見到佛陀又同佢講，佢阿爸講佛理啊，佢爸又入呢個初度，佢嘅仔聽到第2擺啊成阿羅漢啊，所以呢個日沙有54個朋友啊，前世啊一齊修行嘅，佢哋聽到日沙出家啊。佢哋諗，佢嘅師傅啊，應該好特別咯。最有錢佬嘅仔都愛出家，佢哋一個一個去揾佢啊，佢又帶佢哋見佛陀，佛陀同佢哋講佛理啊，一個一個成阿羅漢咯。如果你得到四禪啊，你聽經啊，你會成阿羅漢。如果你冇呢個禪定咧，聽經最多都係初度初果。以後啊，佛陀有觀啊，1000個日啲啦係。佢哋嘅頭髮好長嘅，綁一粒喺呢度。呢幾個1000個啊，佢哋修禪定，得到禪定，有啲有神通啊。所以佛陀知道啊，人有神通啊，佢哋嘅我聞心會大啦，冇咁容易度咯。佛陀住嗰度幾個禮拜啊，做神通俾佢哋睇咯。你見到佛陀嘅神通咁厲害啊，你有信心咯。信心嗰陣時啊。佛陀之同佢頭講啦，格什巴，你以為你係阿羅漢，你唔係阿羅漢，你又唔係行呢個道啊，愛成阿羅漢。咁你聽到佛陀嘅話咧，驚下，做乜人叫佢阿羅漢咯？後尾諗下，知道佛陀嘅意思啊，啲跪啊，可以跟佛陀出家啊。咁佛陀收起做徒弟啊，999個啊，見到啊，起了跟佛陀出家咗啊。跟佛陀咗啊！佛陀同佢哋講一個經，火嘅經，因為佢哋拜火啊，所以佢哋聽咯，聽咗啊，1000個聽一個經就成阿羅漢。所以佛陀初啊，去揾咁樣嘅人啦，咁樣嘅人有修行啊，得到死禪嘅啊。所以以後啊，佛陀帶佢哋去呢個王舍城，因為以前佛陀過嗰度啊，嗰個面必沙拉王啊，見到佛陀咁莊嚴啊，叫佛陀住嗰度啦，唔好走啊。不過佛陀愛修行，唔係愛好食好住啊。佛陀離開，不過係叫佛陀啊講啊，如果你成功啊，翻嚟度我哋啦啊，所以佛陀翻。但係呢個1000個阿羅漢啊，又請佛陀食飯啦，又叫呢個王舍城嘅人速刻出嚟睇嗰啲阿羅漢，跟個經同埋計律啊，12萬個人嚟啊，嚟睇嗰啲阿羅漢。佛陀食飯咗啊，同佢哋講四聖諦啊，四聖諦。你哋全部12萬啊，聽到頭1擺啊，佛理啊，速刻得到初度。最重要啊，你係聽最早嘅經啊，你明白啊，你會得到變一個聖人。咁樣你變一個聖人咗啊，你唔驚呢個輪迴咗，因為你會出世淨係做人，同埋做天人啊，你冇可能啊出世做鬼，做呢個畜生同埋落去地獄咗。嗰陣時啊，你慢慢出呢個苦海冇相關，因為你變一個聖人咗，佛陀講你福報啊，好大好大。你翻嚟啊，你有呢個講阿 U 話 no 蘇康巴楞，阿 U 咧係長命，你做天人或者做人間人啊，都係長命。話 no 係靚，出世靚。第3啊，蘇康好歡喜啊，第3啊時時好歡喜。第4啊，巴楞係力啊，係2種啊，一個係出名啦，第2個啊你有勢力啊，做 CEO 啦係翻嚟，即係所以呢個啊最簡單啦，係得到呢個初度啦，聽經你得到初度咗啊，最多啊你翻嚟啊7世，如果你出力咧仲快咯。呢個初度唔跟人揾2度3度嗰啲啊跟，呢啲俾你哋問話。
而家師傅俾大家 Q&A 時間，有問題要問師傅嘅，你舉一舉手，我俾一俾問完。
師傅請問師傅好似我哋嘅大乘嘅佛教係講呢個馬人啦，講呢個阿彌陀佛㗎啦。不過請師傅喺呢個聽完他對呢個大乘嘅阿彌陀佛有咩有 viewpoint 係咁啊？
我哋有個 CD 啦，呢個空海法師講經啦，有解釋呢個佛教點樣變啦。有講啦，呢個阿彌陀佛咧係呢個太陽神啊 ，Persia Sun God 喺嗰度嚟啦。因為佛教愛滅嗰陣時啊，嗰啲神啊，佢哋攞入我哋佛教啦，鼓勵人哋入佛教啊，唔使出去外出拜啦。所以好似觀音啊，觀音係一個印度嘅神啊，印度嘅神啊，佢哋攞入嚟啊。嗰陣時啊，最早喺印度啊，叫做Avalokitesvara Bodhisattva， 所以名係 Avalokit， 最尾啊 Isvara 好似我哋嘅 Proton Isvara， 佢嘅意思啊係神嚟嘅，巴利係 Isara， 所以呢個神啊，佢哋攞入嚟我哋佛教啊，叫佢做菩薩所以呢個一樣咁樣啦，呢個阿彌陀佛啊，又係神啊，攞嚟咧叫佢係佛陀咯。你睇呢個阿彌陀佛，你講無量光無量數，點解無量光無量數啊？太陽係無量光無量數，太陽啊日日落邊度？落西方咯。所以你講啊，阿彌陀佛住喺西方啦。最早嘅經啊，佛陀講啊，我哋愛乜嘢都好啊，你拜啊唔可以得到嘅，發言啊又唔可以得到嘅，你求啊又唔可以得到嘅。佛陀講，如果可以得到啊，做咩世間仲有咁多苦啊？人哋有苦嗰陣時，人哋咪拜啦，人哋咪求啦，得到嘛。佛陀講啊，你愛做啱嘅嘢，好似講你愛長命啊，冇實生啊，自然會得到長命咯。你愛聰明咧，乜嘢唔知道啊？你去研究去問。你估你愛出世靚咧，唔好有脾氣咯。如果你好惡啊，你惡嗰陣時面靚嘛，唔靚日日你做你面惡啊，第日你嘛唔靚咯。你估你愛健康咧，唔好虐待其他嘅眾生咯。
我聽我上堂分啦，頭先你講嘅個初度係其實係點樣嘅level嚟？係你聽經咧就可以得到噶。
你愛聽最早嘅經，又愛明白。所以佛陀講啊，如果你聰明啊，你聽到啊，好快你會得到正見啦。如果你冇咁聰明都好啊，你又聽又繼續聽啊，好多擺啊，慢慢你會明白啊，慢慢你嘅性格會變啦。佛陀嘅時間啊，有一個 bandit 山賊佬啊，山賊啊，佢殺啊幾百個人咯。咁樣個王啊想去帶嗰啲兵啊去捉佢啦，去殺佢啦。佛陀知道啊，佛陀觀啊，呢個人有善根啊。佛陀一個人行上嗰個山，你見到佛陀咧，佢喺後面啊走好快啊，愛嚟殺佛陀咯。不過走幾快都好啊，唔可以接近佛陀，走好大力都唔可以接近佛陀，因為佛陀有神通嘛。咁樣你大聲叫佛陀咯，你講停啦，三門停。佛陀又轉過嚟同佢講：安古利瑪啦，我停咗，你又未停。你諗點解佛陀講佢未停咧？掉佢嘅刀啊乜嘢燒麻咗喺櫃啦。佢係佛陀，佛陀講我停咗冇殺眾生咗，你仲未停啦，仲殺咁多眾生。咁我佛陀同佢講法理啦，聽咗啊，佢跟佛陀出家。呢個人有善根啊，所以聽一擺咋，又可以出家。再尾出家咗啊，佢有時去托缽嗰陣時咧，人哋用木打氣咯，用石掉氣咯，翻嚟個廟啊流血啦，流血同佛陀講咯，佛陀講你嘅業障咁重啊，你愛忍啊，因為有啲人啊係親戚啊俾殺咗啊，唔甘願啊，見到氣啊打氣咯，咁可以知道咯。如果咁樣好好修行咧，就係落去地獄啊，要勤力修咯，修成阿羅漢咯，成阿羅漢咗穩陣咗，唔會落去輔導咗。
我哋有嗰個 recorder 同埋個 SIM 卡，係咪嗰個就係？
你識英文冇？
有
有啊 ，English 嘅有。
So the one is the one that
嗰個英文同埋福建話我講。
哦，the one is
華語有啲我講，多部分唔係我講。
頭先如果我哋聽嗰個就係
聽好多擺啦，有機會啦。
Good evening, everyone. Just want to ask one simple question. I cannot understand Japanese totally, but I managed to get something you saying that the Buddha consciousness came out from the gate or something like that.
Yes.
In the forms of image.
No, the astral body came out.
Astral body, so the physical body is still somewhere, and
Yeah.
went to some.
Yeah.
Okay. So you mean the Buddha himself is able to perform this astral body?
Yes. But nowadays, you find in the internet, quite a number of people have this out-of-body experience.
Yeah.
They come out of the body. For example, there was one doctor in England. He was a surgeon. So when he operated on the patient, after the operation, some patients told him during the operation, because they were under anesthesia, they came out of the body and they saw the doctor operating there. So they told him, that time he didn't have any religion, but he was an Indian doctor. So he didn't believe. Then when he was about 60 years old, he had cancer or something. They operated on him. When they operated on him under anesthesia, he came out of the body. He went up to the ceiling. Went up to the ceiling, he looked down. He was thinking to himself, how come I have two bodies? I'm up here and my body is down there. And then after that, he revived. And then after that, I became very interested in religion. And then I probably went back to Hinduism.
The other question is, since Buddha can perform this astral body, so why can Buddha actually physically use his body and fly over the other place? Okay, this relates to, I think, there is a sutra where they say that the mother passed away after Buddha was born 7 days. So Buddha went to the heaven to give a Dhamma talk. So he went in a form of physical body or in an astral body? In the sutra, what is it? Physical sutra.
Firstly, it is not mentioned in the sutta that he went to teach his mother. He went to heaven sometimes to teach the Brahma gods, sometimes to teach Sakadeva Raja. But it didn't mention that he went to teach his mother. Only later books only say he went to teach his mother. But in the sutta, his disciple asked him, Bhagavan, Saichin, is it true your flesh body can fly to heaven? The Buddha said yes. He said his flesh body can fly as far as the Brahma world, the first jhana heaven. Higher is too far, I cannot go.
Okay. So the Buddha physically
Can go.
flesh body and went to the heavens.
Yeah.
Whoever he talked to doesn't matter. Then he is able to do that, perform that.
Up to a certain level of heaven.
And even the first level of Understand. Okay, so I was wondering why he don't use the flesh body and fly over to the other side and convince him. That's some Reverend was saying the story. I couldn't understand the reason. Why he want to use physical body instead he use astral body.
Oh, I was talking about the disciple who was meditating at night and fell asleep. So he can fly in the physical body sometimes, but he just felt like going in the astral body.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. So 有一個問題because now I have an employee in the Saskatchewan. This Saskatchewan is we have a lot of teachers going to the prison preach. 係咪講而家佢哋政府係咪為 abolish 嗰個死刑我哋佛教講因果嘛
Yeah.
So on your point, is it abolished or is it just maintained?
That is, you have to ask the government. Why you ask me?
On the aspect of Buddhism, but Buddhism is we don't kill. We have no power to take away human life. So on that aspect, we are against it.
不過呢啲係政治嘅事你哋冇問我哋我哋冇講多啦，陣間就及笨嘢。以前我有一個時間我喺 Australia 1996年 咁樣啊，我住喺呢個阿陳 Bram 嘅廟啦，唔知4個月係咪啊？嗰陣時啊，有一個人中 cancer， 所以喺 Australia 澳洲啊入邊咧有一個州啊，呢個 Northern Territory Darwin 嗰度啊，一個州啊，人哋可以euthanasia 係講係有 cancer 啊，拖太耐咗啊，係愛自己自殺啦。佢哋攞講得啊，得咗呢個人啊，佢唔知5年啊，佢中 cancer 啊，咁樣佢初以為佢會好啦，後尾唔會好啊。佢講唔係自己受苦啊，又見到佢老婆啊，慢慢照顧佢啦，又流尿又流屎啊，老婆又咁又唔有心顧佢啊，佢都唔去睇老婆咁樣啊，佢愛佢快啲咯，所以愛自殺啊！嗰陣時咧，其他嘅州嗰啲政府啊，有啲好多係耶穌教嘛，佢哋講唔得自殺，咁樣佢哋愛停氣咯。所以佢哋做一個 survey 啊，去問人啊，所以嚟我哋嘅廟啊，又問咯。所以阿陳 Bram 叫嗰啲我哋唔知4個出家耐啲嘅啦，問我哋嘅意見啦。所以我哋3個師傅啊講啊，佢愛自殺啊，佢得啦。一個咧唔同意咯，所以後尾佢自殺啦。佢揾一個人啊，同佢做嗰個，同埋一個醫生啦，做一個機啊，佢愛放嗰個針啊喺佢嘅血根啊，所以佢愛 press the button， 佢愛撳嗰個掣啊，佢撳一擺唔夠喎，佢撳2擺啊，如果撳一擺就係驚啦，可以停啦，係。決定啊，撳2擺咗，後尾死咯。因為我諗啊，一個人啊，如果我哋佛教係講慈悲嘛，如果係咁苦啊，係愛揀啊，又唔係講殺人啊，係殺自己。其
實死啊，如果自殺係咪 ？The next life 啊，又嚟又話自殺。
冇咁嘅事啊！有啲人講啊，你跳樓咗啊，大班又嚟跳樓啊！我有一個朋友跳樓啊，我見到佢啊落嚟嗰陣時啊，呢度啊走入去啊，你諗下一個人啊，佢死嗰陣時啦，佢唔係咁快死嘅，所以話佢打到呢度咁大力啊，咪痛咯，幾秒鐘都好啊，佢知道啊，大把佢翻嚟啊，我睇你叫佢自殺啊，驚咗咯，好似我啦，我上高嗰陣時啦，睇落氣咧。我腳啊染咗，點解咧？可能啊前世啊有跌過。
師父慈悲啊！我想請問師父啊，而家我哋佛教發展到咁長時間咗啦，佛嚟都已經成2600幾年咗啦，法門都好緊要多啦。咁我哋點樣選擇屬於我哋自己嘅法門咧？或者係每一個法門都可以令到我哋有成就同解脫咧？
頭先我講啊，佛陀講淨係一個道啦，可以帶你變一個聖人啦，出呢個苦海嘅八正道咯。後尾嘅詩講啊，84000門啦，做人就好練咗啦。而家你睇好似呢個密宗啊，又有呢個雙修啊，你哋講。收呢個雙修啊，係你冇呢個慾望。不過如果你研究呢個最早嘅經啦，佛陀講冇可能，因為佛陀嘅時間都有喎。佛陀嘅時間啊，有3個派啊，冇着衫冇着褲嘅男女啦。咁可以見到啊，咁你又做咁樣嘅事咯。就佛陀有一個徒弟講呢個冇業障啊，佛陀冇害到人咯。佛陀聽到啊，佛陀鬧佢咯。佛陀講啊，冇可能啊！你做咁樣嘅事啊，冇慾望嘅，冇呢個 lust，perceptions of lust。佛陀講啊，你咁樣做啊，你講你係修行者，不過你做咁樣嘅事啊，佛陀講啊，會落喺地獄，會落喺地獄。在家人啊，做唔同喎，在家人冇講你係修行者喎，係咪？呢個你講係修行者，人哋頂你，人哋供養咁乜嘢？你收人哋嘅供養，你收人嘅頂禮又咁樣做，佛陀講會落喺地獄，所以你愛知道多啊，你自己研究啦。佛陀講你愛智慧咧，你自己愛問愛研究，你研究多咗啊，你又知道啦。 我初係因為讀書係呢個天主教嘅師官啊，我好有信心對天主教，我想去洗禮啊。後尾嗰陣時我17歲嗰陣時啦，想去洗禮。18歲、19歲嗰陣時咧，呢個 computer 識行咗，識諗喎。你講上帝好慈悲，慈悲做咩做地獄咧？做地獄放人喺入邊唔係啊？我做咩去做地獄？蘇媽俾人哋上天啊，係嘛？咁又講佛陀溫良，乜嘢都知道，過嘅事都知道，將來都知道。咁樣去做 Mr. 多嗰陣時啊，知道將來 Mr. 多會落去地獄或者上天堂嘛？如果一落地獄咧，put on hold啦，停啦，點解又繼續做起咗啊？又俾落去地獄，咁邊度慈悲啊？係嘛？咁嘅問題啊，問你哋啊，你唔識答啊？冇問咁多。做好多嘢係自己諗。以前我跟呢個北傳嗰陣時啦，有個經口信經係嘛，講佛陀行喺個山巴嗰度，見到一個骨，見到一個骨人嘅骨跪拜喎。咁阿難陀尊者問你，點解你世尊你跪呢個骨？跟個經啦，佛陀講你冇智慧，呢個可能係我媽我阿爸轉世。好多人相信咁樣嘅經係嘛？如果你諗多啲咧，呢個骨佛陀會跪拜啊！如果真係前世嘅媽，而家前世嘅爸，你見到啦，生啦唔係骨啦，應該跪拜係嘛？咁佛陀講好多眾生我哋遇到以前咧係我哋嘅親戚嚟嘅。咁你見到嘅徒弟前世係嘅爸係嘅媽，應該跪拜嘛？見到一隻狗咧，前世係嘅親戚去跪拜嘛？所以好多嘢我哋去諗，冇理由嘛，係嘛？好多時係阿咩出嚟嘅，比如講呢個《楞嚴經》北傳入邊一半嘅師父唔相信，因為喺邊度嚟咧？初冇咁樣嘅經喎。阿咩忽然間出嚟，佢哋講喺呢個皇宮出嚟，以前冇講嘅。咁我哋問邊度揾呢啲嘅經咧？跟你哋嘅故事咧係講有一個印度嘅師傅喺呢個係國嘅寶嚟嘅，佢哋愛錢，割起嘅皮放喺皮入邊攞出嚟。佛陀講佢嘅經係 open 開嘅，冇病嘅公開，喺佛陀嘅手咁樣開係嘛？佛陀講乜嘢係秘密嘅咧？係邪嘅，邪嘅似係秘密。所以嗰啲咒好多咒唔係佛陀講嘅，嗰啲咒係呢個波羅門嚟嘅。波羅門佢哋初嗰啲波羅門人佢係修行者嚟嘅，佢哋修行到唔知48歲佢哋至結婚生仔咁有啲收到有神通咯，應該同嗰啲天人學呢啲咒咯。初呢啲咒亦唔可以傳出嘅。後尾因為貪佢哋賣俾人咯，又做呢啲王嘅官呢啲，因為呢啲咒好厲害喎。做光頭咧用咒嘅，改光頭都係用咒嘅，養鬼仔都係用咒嘅。所以你睇邊度印度教到啦，嗰度啦有光頭。馬來西亞、印尼、泰國、柬埔寨呢啲蘇媽以前有印度教，所以印度教咧有呢啲光頭。佢啲咒冇年用以前我跟北傳我都識好多咒，我知道有力嘅。有一擺有一個人好似嘅身體有好多鬼同埋檳城山呢個星期山我坐嗰個火車喺山巴嗰度出嚟咯，行近我咯，一面笑咯，見到佢知道呢個人入邊好多邋遢嘢，都唔知點樣做我哋念呢個大悲咒心入邊念一下念呢個大悲咒一面嚇驚白咗佢啲睇嗰邊咯，不過後次又唔相信又哋睇我咯，睇我有就。你念呢啲咒嗰時有眾生嚟嘅，不過呢啲咒好用，不過世間冇嘢 free 嘅，你用咗第日你愛還嘅。係有一個經啦，我哋引述佛教嘅經啦， 又講到呢個薩迦迪拉扎。薩迦迪拉扎喺我哋唐人咧係玉皇大帝，佢有好多嘅老婆啦。一個咧係一個阿修羅王嘅女啦，蘇扎啊，所以佢同嗰個阿修羅嘅王講啦，佢講呢個阿修羅叫做咩名咗我唔記得係名咗。佢講佢有一種嘅咒啊，好用喎，好厲害啊！我想去學啦，得嘛？個阿修羅王咧同佢講啊，你等啦，我哋開會先，睇可以教你嘛。嗰個時間啊，個阿修羅王啊同佢講，你冇學呢個咒啦。呢個陳爸爸呢個阿修羅好熟呢個咒嘅，正話死咗啊，而家落喺地獄啊，你冇用呢咒。我知道啊，有啲泰國師傅啊，佢哋目的係好，愛幫人哋改降頭啊，佢哋用咁樣嘅咒啦。咁樣佢哋好辦咧改降頭乜嘢，不過佢死嗰陣時啊好艱難死啊！嗰啲人養鬼仔嘅都一樣。以前我喺棍丹呢個百坑佛教會啊嗰度學佛教嘅啦，我有幾個朋友啦，佢哋同一個香港嘅師傅學呢啲咒，因為呢個香港師傅係密宗嘅，密宗啊唔使出家嘅，佢哋在家人有老婆啊都可以做師傅嘅。所以佢哋學呢啲咒咗啊，用得啦。所以有3-4個朋友啦，佢哋去幫人啦。人哋屋企有鬼咧，用呢啲咒啊，趕嗰啲鬼啊。人哋有降頭咧，又幫人哋改啦。過個時間啊，我朋友忽然間病咗啊，嘅身體啊一粒一粒出嚟啊，慢慢啊全個面啊身體先嘛一粒一粒啊，好似蠄蟝咁樣啊，多啊。冇幾耐啊死咗。你幫人啊，有啲人有問題啊，唔係業障啊冇相干。有啲人啊因為業障啊，比如講佢前世啊殺一個人啊，呢個人做鬼咗啊，又記得哦，去報仇喎，我報仇愛佢嘅命啦。你笨低啊，去阻佢啊，你唔可以攞佢命攞你嘅命啊。所以去幫人啊，去用智慧。去佛陀啊，知道啊咁樣嘅功冇用啊，佛陀唔俾佢嘅徒弟啊、醫人啊做呢咁樣嘅事。佛陀講修行，因為佢哋佛陀啊，佢哋有智慧啊，佛陀有咁多神通啊，做咩冇幫人？佛陀知道啊，你嘅業障啊，你愛自己擔，幫你都好啊，係 postpone 啫，慢啲啊，你嘅業障又揾你嘅咯。
都係好似嗰個菩薩教人哋好艱難。
佛陀都唔可以教。邊個可以教？因為呢個世間係我嘅心做出嚟嘅，好似發夢咁啊！你發夢啊，nightmare啦！你發夢嗰陣時你喊啊，邊個可以幫你？你去出呢個夢啊？你哋去醒啊！我哋蘇媽，我哋未醒咯，我哋仲發夢咯。The Buddha is the enlightened one， 醒咗 ，the awakened one 醒咗。
But sir, the intention is good.
Intention is good, but 好多人啊落去輔導啊，唔係講係心惡，你知道？好多人落去輔導啊，因為無明啊，唔明白法理啊。比如講簡單講啦，一個白粉仔啦，我哋 MU 而家有一個白粉仔，35年啦食白粉，而家50年啦，慢慢改。不過有改過好多擺啊，又紅慳呢條路。所以你睇下，喺15歲嗰陣時啊，開始食呢個白粉啊。佢唔知道嘛，佢嘅後果係嘛？如果佢知道啊，又唔可以做咯。好似嗰啲人啊，得到呢個死刑嘅啦，佢唔知道嘛。如果佢知道啊，邊度敢做？或者有個人啊，出世做鬼啊，或者落去地獄啊，嗰啲惡業啊，如果佢知道啊，係後果啊，唔敢做，係唔知道。所以啊，佛陀講啊，無明咧害人最多噶啦，唔係因為你惡，係你報多。